Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the main selector actions. This is the main selector. It's going to be super straightforward. Basically what you can do is either select individuals or select teams. In individuals you can select yourself, other teammates, or in teams you just select another channel in Slack. Right? Does this help for? This is going to be very useful to understand your teammates, to understand yourself, and understand the team exactly, to be able to identify exactly what to improve next, right? You can go to the team and say, hey, we need to improve this, or you just look at your stats and say, hey, I need to improve the way I work, and so on, right? Right, so I'm going to show you around what you can do. You can select, as we said, individuals or teams. If you select yourself, you're going to see your stats, as we can see in here. For example, for my initial analysis, we can understand that I could improve the way I work, for example, to get more information at the end of each radar. When I'm done using the pulses, I'm going to receive what are the things that I could improve, all right? And we can do this for other people as well. Let's select someone else. It's going to touch all the data. We can see that this person is similar, right? They can improve the way they work. And this is going to be very helpful for managers because we can select topics now that we can use to talk in one-on-ones and so on, but also for people. I mean, each member of the team is responsible to find out things to improve so we can help the team. And I don't know if, for example, we select my new team, which is the one that we use for these videos of example, we can understand how they are doing in different radars. And if we want to understand more, we can always select which radar we want to understand and get data for that, right? If we select the smart work, we can see all the aggregation of the data and the things that we could improve. All right, these are the actions for the main selector. So yeah, feel free to dig around and let us know if you want to understand something else. Cheers.